All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. We are proud to present this 2018 Ford Mustang. It is the premium EcoBoost premium package with 11,000 miles. It's beautiful candy apple red with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera, heated and cooling seats, fog lights, alloy wheels. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Let's check out your tire thread. Just at just over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks good. And here's your front driver's your rear driver's rim. Very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. There's a dent or a body line. Let's go see if the other side has it. It does not. Okay. That is a dent there. Double checking it. That is a dent here. No paint off. About 6 inches there. All right. It's hard to see if at all, but I believe that there is a dent here. All right, guys. That's about it. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat and the holes, the tears, the rips looks good. Likewise on your rear seat and the holes, the tears, and the rips looks beautiful. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. This is a push start system. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Boom. Got your backup camera. AC controls right down below. Heated and cooling seats. Very nice. You got stereo controls on this side as well as this side, and your instrument cluster. And what that looks like, you see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 11,154. Looks good. Looks good. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. My fog lights on. Let's see. Fog lights are on now. Perfect. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks good. Deck lid looks good. Here's your trunk spacing with that. Looks like pretty nice. Do have a spare tire here with some tools, and then I tuck away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. I do see a few fish eyes here and there. This has been painted. Does need some sanding, and that'll take care of those fish eyes. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. All the tears and rips to that. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. This one here has some more. Probably get one of my guys to do it too. But if there is any fish eyes left, you guys know you guys got to sand it. That's pretty much it. All right. Fender looks good here. Here's our front passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread. Just over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Fog lights are working. Car looks beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Ford Mustang premium package with 11,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.